A block sits on a flat surface. When a block is pushed by an instantaneous force, the block moves straight to the right. Not long after that, the block stopped at a certain point, due to the friction force on the surface. Now, the polished surface becomes smoother. When the block are pushed by the same force, the block stops moving at a further point. For very smooth surfaces, where friction is completely absent, the block will continue to move in a straight line at the same speed all the time. From here there are two conditions. First, the external force on a stationary object. The instantaneous force is exerted from outside the block. This means that the instantaneous force F is an external force. External forces can cause stationary objects to move. Second, external forces on moving objects. The friction force is exerted by the floor surface on the block. This means that friction is an external force. External forces can cause a moving object to stop moving. Newton summarized this process as Newton's first law of motion. If there is no external force, an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object moving at a constant speed will remain moving at a constant speed. For example, objects in space are constantly moving. Because there is a vacuum there is no friction in its path. External force here has two meanings. There is no single force acting on the object. Or there are several forces that act on the same object but have a resultant force of zero. Mathematically, sigma Fr is equal to 0. Hopefully this tutorial can provide an overview of Newton's first law of motion. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.